So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to clean a window, what we'd call a first clean, and then onto a maintenance clean. The brush that I've chosen to show you on is what we'd call a sill brush. So it's got a sill brush on there, angled, bristles facing forwards and bristles facing downwards towards the bottom. And then we've got a multi-jet rinse bar in there as well. So what you would do is, the key to it is to avoid anything above the actual window that we're cleaning. So like on a first clean, what we do on a first clean is we clean the top of the frame like so. And then what I then tend to do is, once I've cleaned the actual frame down right, I then rinse the top of the frame like so. But what I'll do is I'll avoid getting the brickwork wet. So if you get the brickwork wet, what will happen is brick dust will then run down and leave marks. But the reason why we wash that top frame first is now it allows the water to actually run off this top frame. And while we're waiting for that to happen, we can start cleaning the glass. So apply a bit of pressure, get up to the top, into the top corners, and then we get in those top corners like so, because a lot of cobwebs and things end up in there. Go up and down, and then get in the bottom corners. So on this window, I'm working up and down, but what you'll find is on bigger panes or French doors or patios, some people like to actually work sideways on it, so they can get into the corners like this and work sideways down the actual glass. So what we've done is we've washed that top frame, we've rinsed that top frame. While we're waiting for water to run off that, we've washed the actual glass. Now, if you look closely, you'll see there's water droplets all hanging off this top frame all the way along. Okay, so if we come up with the brush now, after we've done it, and we just run the bristles along the top, you tend to knock those water droplets off, look. Yeah, so what we do is do it all in one, and then if we just come around this side with the camera, and then what we then do is we lift up and hold the brush to one side so we can actually see the water jets coming off. We can just twist the pole so that the brush is actually being supported by the actual glass, so we're nice and steady. So we just twist the pole and just do a nice accurate rinse across that top. So that's the key rinse to it. So once we come up, nice accurate rinse. Once we've done that, we can just lift off and zigzag down the glass. So we can come up, nice accurate rinse across the top, and zigzag down the glass, and zigzag down the glass. So I'm going to show you that clean all in one, so you can see it. So it's as if I was starting on this window as a fresh. So we come up, we wash the top frame, we rinse the top frame, come down, and we start on the glass. And then come up and we just rinse them off. So we can knock the droplets off if you want to. Just zigzag down the glass, nice and accurate. And that's what we call a first clean. Now, some people clean those top frames every single time, which you can do that. You can clean them every single time. Some people, I mean, this top frame doesn't really get very dirty very often because it's under the fascias and soffits and it's set back into the window. So a quicker method of cleaning would be, we'll show you on this window here. So if we come over here, so a quicker method of cleaning would be what we'd call a maintenance clean. So, and what we'd do on a maintenance clean is we'd come up to the top, we'd get in those top corners like so, we'd get in the bottom corners, and then we'd come straight up, nice accurate rinse across there, and zigzag down. So what we've not done is we've not touched any of this top frame really. So we've not touched it, so there's no way that any of this that you've touched, any dirt's been disturbed and run down the actual glass. So you can come up, get in those top corners like so, get down, up and down into the bottom corners, come up, nice accurate rinse across, zigzag down. So I mean, obviously everyone's going to have their own opinion of this, of how they actually clean the actual windows, but from a speed point of view, that's a quick way of doing it. But obviously we've not cleaned all the top frames and everything, so if you're going to wash the frames and everything, stick to that first method. But if you're not going to do that, speed, I mean, do the frames need cleaning every time? Probably not. You know, you could get away with doing it this time 1 month and then alternating it. Thanks for watching.